I wanted to congratulate you, Mrs. Myers, on your retirement after a 25-year career here at Akron. I'm going to miss you dearly as I continue here and will miss your wisdom and knowledge and just your lovely presence here in the office. Again, congratulations.
Congratulations, Miss Myers, on retirement. Thank you for helping me.
Oh my gosh, I'll really miss you, Miss Myers. I'm really glad you're graduating with us. It's been a great year. I love student support. You guys have been so comforting and great friends to me, and I really appreciate it. And I hope you like enjoy your retirement and do something wild and fun, girl.
Hi, Miss Myers. We are truly going to miss you. You've been a staple here for over 20 years, and I've been here 13. And I can say that you've always been professional with me, and we've worked well together. And you're really, your heart is where it should be at, and it's with the kids. And we will forever be grateful for all of your service here at Akron. We love you. We miss you. And as always, go Tigers.
Thank you, Miss Myers, for everything you do. We all appreciate you so much, and happy retirement.
Mrs. Myers, I am going to miss you so much. I can't believe we have had the amazing opportunity of working together for 9 years, and Akron is not going to be the same without you. Thank you so much for all of the support, advice, guidance, and friendship you have given me over these past 9 years. You are so special, and you deserve to enjoy every moment of retirement. I'm going to miss you so much.